Good morning, children. Today we learn about fruits. You must have seen fruits with the fruit seller who comes to sell, like mango, banana, apple, grapes, orange, pineapple. There are many other fruits, children, but we'll do some of them. In this chart, you can see many fruits. Some must have seen, some must have not seen. We'll do some of them. Apple. We all have seen apple. Apple is most popular fruit. An apple a day keeps doctor away. Orange. Orange you can peel and eat, children, or make juice of it and drink. It is very good for our eyes. Banana. Banana is an excellent fruit, children. Whenever you are hungry, you can eat banana instead of eating all junk food. And it is very healthy. It gives you energy. You can peel it and eat it, or cut it and mix with other fruits and eat, and or make a smoothie of it and drink. Mangoes, wow, we all like mangoes. Mangoes also, children, you can cut and eat it, or make mango juice and drink. And mango is the king of fruits. Papaya. Papaya is very good for our health. You can cut it into pieces and eat it, or mix with other fruits like a fruit salad. But you have to eat papaya, children. Chiku. Chiku is sweet and brown in color. This also you can peel it and cut it and eat it, or make chiku juice and drink. Pomegranate. Pomegranate you eat with seeds, children. It has many benefits. This also you can either make juice or mix it with other fruits and eat, or you can have it plain also. Clean it and put it in a bowl and eat it. Pineapple. Pineapple is yellow in color. You can slice it and eat it, or make juice and drink, whatever you like, children. But eat fruits. Strawberry. Strawberry is a juicy fruit. You can have it for breakfast with milk, oats, or make a smoothie of strawberry and drink it for breakfast, or can make jam and have it with bread and chapati. Watermelon. Watermelon is red from inside and green from outside, and it is very good during summer season as it has lot of water in it. You can add chaat masala and have it taste yum. Custard apple. Custard apple is a sweet fruit. It is very good for our eyes, children. It helps from drying and allows it to function properly. It is also very good for our bones. You can eat it, but don't eat the seeds. Don't swallow the seeds, children. And you can make thick shake, add milk and make a thick shake and drink. And you get ice cream also of custard apple. You can enjoy the way you want. Either eat it, make a thick shake and drink. Grapes. Grapes are of 2 or 3 colors, children. You all must have seen. Yeah, this is also a juicy fruit. You can wash it and eat it, or mix it with other fruits, add it to the custard and have it. All taste nice. Fruits are very good for our health, children. You have to eat fruits daily. It gives us lot of energy to play, read and write. Fruits make us strong. You have to eat fruits daily, children. Whenever mama or grandparents give you fruits, you have to eat. Must not say no. At least 1 fruit a day you have to eat. Wash it nicely and eat it, children. Okay. Enjoy your fruits today. Bye. Thank you.